I haven't picked up the camera in at least a week. It's been a week, maybe 2. And I started recording. Like, I have a vlog that I could have posted, but it was kind of like choppy. I never really ended the vlog, and then so many days went by. It was just, I don't know. I still might post it, but then again, it's just like, what's the point of posting it? So that's why I'm kind of just starting fresh with this like vacation vlog. I don't even know if I greeted y'all. Did I greet y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. If you're new here, welcome. We would love for you to join the family, but you have to hit that red subscribe button. If you're not new and you're a returning viewer, welcome back, babes. It's so good to see you. So I am going on a cruise. I'm going today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I believe we come back on Monday. Very excited, going to the Bahamas with my mom and my grandma. Currently, I am packing. We do leave today, but there was like a boat delay. Originally, our appointment was for 1:30. It got pushed back to like 3:34. So I'm kind of just vibing right now. It's 9 a.m. taking my time. I did run to work this morning. That's why I have on like my work polo and all the things, just because I went to finish up a couple of things before I got on the boat. I don't know about y'all, but I know for me, it's real hard for me to enjoy myself when things are undone. And don't get me wrong, there's always something that needs to be done, but stuff that could be completed before you go on that trip, I'm not gonna lie, I did it because I just felt like I was gonna be thinking about it the whole time. I wasn't gonna be able to enjoy myself. So ran to work. I was only there for like an hour to finish a couple of things. And now I'm backpacking. I'm about to pack up like my makeup. I just did my like personals bag, like the hygiene, my facial cleanser and all this stuff. I need to pack my makeup. I need to pack like my hair products. I wish I would have got my hair braided, but I don't know, this trip kind of snuck up on me. I knew about it, my mom told me about it, but I kind of wasn't, I don't know. I think because normally I plan the trips like for my friends or for me and B, or you know, like stuff like that. So since I wasn't like the head honcho of this trip, it just wasn't really registering for me. Like I did like all the normal things. Like I would normally get my nails done, you know, my eyelashes. I kind of went to get back into eyelash extensions, but like I didn't get my hair done. I didn't get my toes done. Like the stuff that I normally would do for like vacation, I really didn't do. And I think it's just because I didn't plan this trip, so it really wasn't on my mind like a trip that I would have planned would have been. So that's kind of why it's kind of last minute. That's why I'm kind of packing the day of. Y'all know that is not me. Well, I know that's not me. Like I am a planner. Like I like to have stuff already done, already in its place. And this trip, it just didn't happen. I don't know. I'm blaming it on because I didn't plan the trip, but yeah, I don't know why. And like I'm excited. I cannot wait to see my mom and my grandma. We always have a good time together. And I know my mom and my grandma really need a break, and I'm so happy that they wanted to have a break with me. I appreciate that. So yeah, now I'm just talking, but I really just need to pack a couple of things and then we'll go on with this day.
add my number. May I know your name?
Angela.
Angela and
Miranda.
Miranda and
Dorothy.
Dorothy.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. How about your bag, your luggage? You receive them?
We waiting for 2 more bags.
2 more bags.
Yes.
Still in progress,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank
All right,
you.
you're welcome. The luggage still in progress.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
So nice.
They all nice. I done paid them $300 tip.
Ooh, okay. I'll make sure I cut that out the video. All right, y'all. We made it on the boat. We have Angela. We have my grandma. And now we just waiting on our luggage. Nobody got their luggage but my grandma. That's a bad sign. Because we came together. But we gonna hope for the best. We gonna go and get us something to eat. And I hope we have a wonderful and safe trip.
They had to bring my luggage on. They knew I turned this boat over.
You heard what she said. Me? So I have vitamin C serum. I have salicylic acid. That's because I break out a lot. And then I have this Buffett serum, which is just supposed to help with like wrinkles. I don't have any, but it's just to help like prevent. It's more of a preventive for me because I'm getting older. And this is just my moisturizer. This also has salicylic acid in it because I'm just acne prone. I don't know why. This is a toner that I like to use because I have like little dark spots that's must be coming in my old age. And then just a nice little lip balm. That's you leaving that door open. One in Junior.
I put a body in it. It ain't work.
Well, if I was him in my second year, he has shown a cool under pressure for the last 2 years. He's played as many big games. I think the playoff games already leading up to the Super Bowl were high pressure moments. I think he just needs to keep doing what he's been doing, trust his coaches, trust his teammates.
What am I gonna do with this hair?
I can't deny when you're the Chiefs and you're looking at 2 rings already before you go play the game. It has to help you just be able to go play free and know that you're playing with house money.
It's just psychologically.
I might throw it out again.
And he has kind of separated himself from the guys that he came into the league with. What makes him so special?
Well, you certainly have the crazy ability, the arm angles, the off-schedule plays. But when I really look at it, at the end of the day, he makes good decisions with the football. He's a great teammate. He's a great leader. You can tell he's confident. He believes in himself, as he should be. And I think he does the things that all the other great quarterbacks do. But then when you add those unique abilities to create off schedule, he becomes somebody that the league maybe has never really seen before.
You partner with Frito-Lay.
That's right.
You have a pop-up restaurant here.
Yes, sir.
Tell us a little bit more about that.
So Frito-Lay has a chip strip here on the strip.
All right, y'all, it is the next day. It is Friday. Good morning. It is morning time. We are about to go get breakfast. I just got ready. Grandma's ready. Mom's ready, sorta. So we're about to go get breakfast and then we'll see what we'll get into this day. Maybe a comedy show, maybe a movie, maybe some gambling. We'll see. Okay.
See, I'm sweating over here.
You sweating?
Cold. I mean,
Actually, the big size is out of stock. This is $5.95. Seems like right. You're good.
Woo, all right, y'all, it is Saturday morning. We are officially in the Bahamas right now. I know I haven't been doing a real good at recording. I've been giving y'all like little snippets of what I've been doing throughout the day, but I haven't really been talking. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of people on this boat, a lot of people. So it's just, I don't know, I'm out of my comfort zone just pulling out that camera with all these people around me. I'm overstimulated, but we're having a wonderful time. I can't wait to see the Bahamas. This is my first time. Now, my mom and my grandma, they practically had a vacation home here. They were at the Bahamas all the time. I'm the one who've never been, so I'm really excited. Looking forward to showing y'all all of the beautiful scenery. Don't mind that, honey. I don't know what's going on in there. But yeah, I don't really know how I'm gonna edit this video because I feel like I want to show y'all like what I've been doing throughout the day, and I'm probably gonna have to talk it through just so y'all can know what we're doing, because like I said, I really haven't picked it up and talked to y'all, but we'll see, we'll figure it out. But yeah, we're about to head out, go to the island, and have a wonderful time. So see y'all at the Bahamas.
This one I better do it, me, I no get tired, Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we do what's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to do my way. Plenty survive with just to make sure.
Okay, y'all, just got back from the market. Let me show you what we got, because you know we tourists and all. We got us some t-shirts, got this nice black and white one. We got this pretty pink one, it says Bahamas, got the palm trees. And I don't know about y'all, but every time I go somewhere, I like to get a shot glass. So I got a Bahama shot glass with the Bahama flag. Cute. And then I also got some magnets. So I got this one that says Bahamas. Real pretty with the beach and the car. I got two of those. Then I got the Bahama flag. And then this is the actual city that we're in. So I got that magnet also. So yeah. And then I got me like a drink. My mom got some ice cream. You know, big spenders. But yeah, now we're back on the boat. Probably gonna go get some lunch. Probably gonna take a nap because it was a little warm. You know, when you in the sun, kind of take your energy a little bit. So probably take a nap after we eat, and then we'll get into some other activities. Oh, Jesus. Oh, hey y'all. So I really need to close out this travel vlog so I can start a new vlog. So I just wanted to let y'all know we had a wonderful trip. I love spending time with my mom and grandma. I feel like that's what it's all about. It's about being with your family, you know, experiencing life together. We did. We had a great time. We made it home safely. I was able to go back to work. I did get sick, but I'll probably talk more about that in this new vlog that I'm about to start. But hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.